Hey there. As you can see, I have brake calipers done. There's the other two. So this is the front brake caliper. Um, Man, these things look really, really good. So these have been powder coated. The color is like, I don't know, Bengal gray or something like that. So I've got the new pistons. Basically, everything inside of the caliper is brand new. The only thing that is not new is the caliper themselves and the bolts. Everything else was replaced. New bleed screws. Yeah, so these are nice. They look really, really good. And then here is the rear brake with the parking brake attached. And these are great. They have this tube here is the crossover tube or something, bridge pipe. I think that's what that's called. So that way each of the pistons are actuated. And then this whole mechanism back here is for the parking brake, this gold piece. And the idea is that when you pull the parking brake handle in the car, it basically is the same thing as pulling on this. I don't know if I can do this one-handed, but basically, not quite. But basically, maybe I can hold it here. So as you twist this, what it does is it pushes those pistons there, the not pistons, caliper shoes together, and then as it comes back, it actually ratchets as you do this. It's a little hard to do with one hand, but the ratcheting mechanism works great now. So yeah, pads go here, and then obviously the normal brake pads go in here. But these are looking great. So yeah, these are this silver, Bengal silver color, powder coated on the caliper, and then this is zinc plated, and then it's called yellow chromate or gold chromate. And I did that on basically all of the bare metal parts. Anything I could get away with doing powder coating, I did, but it's a very thick coating, and so you can't do it on everything. But yeah, they look great. I'm very excited to get these on the car. The car looks like a mess currently, but I got everything back from powder coating. So like, here's some random brackets and things, powder coated. Here's a cooling pipe, some things for the engine. Yeah. I'll do a little video, maybe after these next couple of days, after this weekend. All right, that's it for now. See ya.